Hey guys, so our bananas are about to become ripe, and that also means that they're becoming a lot heavier. And that means that there is a lot more stress on the trunk from our banana tree. And in case there is a big storm coming through, then it's likely that the trunk is going to collapse, and then the fruit stand is kind of tearing it down. You see that here. There's a huge bend here, and that is a problem because now less energy is going to reach our fruit or bananas, and they're not just growing as big as they normally would, just because here this bend prevents that. So eventually it could even break off. So what can we do to help our fruit get more energy and the bananas to grow bigger? So the first thought is just take a long stick and put that under the section of the trunk that has bent over, and doing this way is going to remove some of the stress here from this bend, and it allows more energy to go through, and also it prevents the entire trunk from breaking off and the fruit falling off. But unfortunately one stick isn't really enough. You're going to see here this is just going to wobble around. Eventually it's going to fall, so we need a different solution, and that is by using 2 sticks instead of 1. So you see these 2 sticks are crossing each other, and the cross section is here connected. The 2 sticks are connected with a piece of wire with each other, and then we're going to rest that tree trunk, banana trunk here, right on our 2 sticks, and that will prevent the sticks from falling down or from wobbling too much, and the bananas to touch the ground, eventually the trunk to break off completely. And now, of course, we do have more banana trees, and this one has not collapsed yet in the last storm. So here the fruit is still hanging up high. So this one we should just prevent from collapsing, the trunk to collapsing completely in the first place. So here we have 2 really long sticks. So these are some bamboo sticks, and you see how we connected them already here on the ground. See here a piece of wire just wrapped around them. And then all we do is really stand those 2 sticks up here really close to the fruit, and this is going to prevent, hopefully, the banana tree to collapse. And so now the bananas are going to get all the energy that they possibly can get, and so the bananas are going to be really nice and big. Of course, we do have to make sure that our supports themselves are strong enough to hold that weight and they don't buckle under it, especially when you come into a high wind situation. Also make sure they are standing firm in the ground, so maybe dig them in just a little bit to prevent them from sliding away accidentally.